Excellency, Your Excellency, you are too much.
Yeah, you were the
National, now plan. Now spiritual connection.
Don't compare discuss and yeah, no one. Your Excellency, once again I thank you for this singular opportunity on behalf of the National Chairman, on behalf of our great party with me. The chief registrar is gone, and I have no other business than to very formally.
Chief Tony Okocha is an old friend. We have a relationship way back, and I believe he still remembers it. Other state ESCO that are here with him, the publicity secretary and the secretary.
I was called up by the chairman of our great party, national chairman, and given the mandate to visit with you and formally make the presentation of our membership card to you as a prelude to the official reception that you both will pan out. And that assignment for me is a holy one for that matter, I can say so. And before I get deep into that, let me take this time out to congratulate you on your decision to join the All Progressives Congress. And I think on the day you spoke to Nigerians, I also was at the side of my television listening, and I was comfortable with all the reasons you adduced for which you made of your decision to be part of Mr. President's political party. And so, as your servant here, let me use that word, as the chairman of the party in the state, I want to say to you that we welcome you with our whole heart, and I assure you, with all due respect, that we will be at your beck and call. I'm also grateful and so thankful that this opportunity has also presented to me and to us another vista for relationship, or rather remembering what we used to do here in Rivers State. I've seen my friends, political leaders, who have been always at the trenches in the politics of Rivers State. I'm happy that we're all agreeing to coalesce into one political party under the leadership and headship of His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. So that I don't belabor the matter, Your Excellency, let me request, with your kind permission, the secretary of our party, who, because of the high-profile personality, is the chief registrant for today's event. The secretary is Chief Eric Weban, who is secretary of the party in the state. He will do the documentation, formal documentation, and the Excellency will do the needful by signing to the page, the line where the Excellency will be required to sign his signature, and this event will have been thought to have been consummated at that point. Thank you, sir.
Senator John Mbata as a point of contact to every other person that is here. Gentlemen of the press, let me thank my chairman for taking up this very, like him, he said it's a spiritual assignment. I want to thank you for accepting to embark on this spiritual assignment. It is a spiritual assignment because if you had listened to me when I took this decision, it was for the safety, protection, progress development of our dear state. We can't be doing our own here, and we'll be going on a different course with the federal government, the ruling party. There is every reason to support Mr. President. If not for any other thing, as a person, I know the sacrifice he has made to ensure that we still stand as a government. So I took this decision as my own return favor, my own clearing the bush to ensure that his re-election come 2027 will be easy, smooth in this state. Now that we are all in one party, because I believe that we have always supported him, but maybe from different flats. We're now inside one flat. The job is easy to continue what we have promised Mr. President. Let me thank the National Executive. The state chairman is representing the national chairman. I want to assure you, you can take my message back to him, that we will do everything to keep APC as the main and active progressive party in Rivers State. We are not only going to stop there. It is my responsibility from this minute to ensure that the party is properly taken care of. And I will assure you here that every need of the ESCO, every need of the party in the state becomes my responsibility. Mr. Chairman, welcome back to your house. This used to be your house. Now walk, you're entering here now, walk with swag. Because this is your house now. Let me thank every one of you, our leaders, who have always been disturbing me. And finally, when I took the decision, you said, you're standing with me. There is no going back. We have a big task ahead to preach the gospel of Mr. President, to soften every strong ground in this state, and to make sure that at the end, it will be a smooth sail in Rivers State. Let me thank you again for your support. I have never led you wrongly. I normally take time to take decisions, but I believe that every decision I've taken have not led to any problem. It is for the safety of our state. So I call upon every one of you to double your support in this cause. Today, we are going to commission a project. We are going to flag off a project. It is very significant. Among every other thing we're doing, this project today is significant because it has to do with collaboration with the federal government. It is not about the state, it's about our state. We must work with every sector to make sure that we bring positive news, not negative news anymore, to our dear state. So I urge every one of you to continue to support us, continue to support the president. And now, this is our chairman. All our events start to attend. You're my chairman now.
Thank you.
Okay. On this note, let me appreciate everyone and wish you well. It's not just only you wishing me well, me too, I wish you well while you carry out this very taxing responsibility, leading people with different opinions, different mindsets. It is not an easy task, but just learn how to manage everyone. Thank you.
Eric, well, you see, we somehow kind of avoid destiny.